have I waited this late in the season to get my back deck all ready for spring, but technically we're just going to be doing this for summer because it will not stop raining here in Kansas. And suddenly today we have a sunny day and it says it's right back to rain tomorrow. So I'm like, I'm gonna go get my back deck done. Then it kind of makes me sad because then I'm just gonna get rained on. But Jason is gone with a friend today, and so my goal is to get this all spruced up and surprise him and have it done, and even have dinner waiting for us to eat out here on the deck tonight when he gets here. Now here's the real question. Am I strong enough to do this? Because I want to rearrange this big huge umbrella. I have this box over here that I keep everything in, like I store all my pillows and stuff in. So we'll see. I've already kind of been moving stuff around trying to see what I want to do, so let's just quit talking and let's just do it.
It's a quick before shot of the deck. I lost my original footage of how this deck was originally arranged. This was actually, I was playing around and rearranged it like this because I thought that's how I wanted to do it today. So you don't get to see how it was originally, arranged because I don't know what I did. I totally lost an SD card that had quite a bit of footage on it, so I was pretty disappointed about that. As you can see here, this deck has a lot of brown on it, so it was time to get rid of this outdoor rug because we're going to put a way more colorful rug down.
Know what I'm getting Jason for Father's Day? A new hose! I just went and got the hose because I didn't want to do the whole power washer, and it has about 7 holes in it and just sprayed me everywhere, so enjoy! While the floor is finishing drying, I thought we would go ahead and we plant some flowers along here just to give a little color back here. I will tell you that I have already installed, these are solar powered tiki torches, and they are my favorite thing. I actually left them out here all winter long and they did amazing. And so I'm gonna leave them here. I'll come out and show you guys tonight what they look like. They're awesome, I highly recommend. I'll link them down below. I got them off of Amazon and they've been going and going, so they're doing awesome. But let's just plant some flowers along here and get a little bit of color going. And the floor should be dry in just a few minutes because it's like 80 some odd degrees out here. And I'm regretting wearing my hair down. Might go put it up.
I chose marigolds back here because they are so easy to take care of, and once they fill in, it looks so beautiful, so it's a really nice added touch to my deck throughout the summer. Okay, I got the giggles watching this back and looking at all the dirt under my fingernails from planting those flowers. But we're just going to give this little side table a nice little spruce up.
Okay, so now I'm gonna move this over to that side. It's got all these bricks that are down here, so this is gonna be a lot of work. And yeah, but I want to do that before we get the rug down and everything, and then we're gonna do something super awesome. And I actually bought a replacement cover for this, and I'm gonna put that on and I hope I can figure it out.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely on the struggle bus here and trying to get this to move, but it finally does. I also lost the footage of us putting together this adorable little table and chair set that we bought at Target, but it will be linked down below.
I'm cracking up. I got this, brand new umbrella and then I forgot to order the new cover. So just pretend you don't see that.
I'm absolutely in love with this rug. This was purchased from Wayfair. It was driving me crazy how that corner would not stay down. But the good news is by later on in the day, it was already laying down. But this really brought a nice little pop of color to my overly drab brown deck.
I am ridiculous and I just moved the umbrella back over there. And so now I'm starting over. I did not like the way the bottom looked over here. It was the first thing I saw when I looked out the house. So, umbrella is now back over here. And now I'm going to move the brown case back over here. This is too much work for one tiny little deck. Okay, Jason's almost here. I have a little snack here waiting for him. I'm gonna go get cleaned up, get dinner going so we can eat out here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of work for probably, I don't know how many minutes this video will be. It took me all day. So, the power of editing. All right, I'm gonna go make dinner.